Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm here with the new lecture of English grade 7. As we have completed our grammar part, page 6 in the last lecture, today we have to continue from the page 7. Word study. Exercise A, exercise B, C and E will be done of these in this page. So you all must be having your books in front of you along with the pencils. You must do all of these exercises side by side on your books. First of all, exercise A, comprehension. Similes speak interesting comparison. What do these similes mean? So what is a simile? You all might be having same expressions. Not all, but maybe a few of you. Simile is actually a figure of speech. Similes are a way of comparing things using the words like or as. It's actually a descriptive phrase that is used to compare one thing to another. Similes commonly follow the same format, so they are easy to identify in a sentence. Let's move on toward the examples. The baby sleeps like a koala. The way of sleeping is compared to koala, that koala is actually a bear and that also sleeps in the same way. So the way of sleeping of the baby is compared to koala. Let's move toward the next exercise. His sister is as gentle as lamb. Lamb means very tender. A very old 1-year-old sheep is actually called the lamb, and another meaning of the lamb is tender as well. So it means that she is very innocent, she is very mild and mannered person, right? Okay. Next we have the strawberries are red like roses. The color of the strawberries is compared to the roses. Let's move on toward the last example. As brave as a lion. Like bravery of the lion is very popular, right? So the bravery is compared to the lion, like as brave as a lion, like anyone can be as much brave as a lion. So the bravery is compared to the lion. Now move on to the first exercise. Number 1 is she sings like an angel. It fits like a glove. This is like watching Rosro. He babbles like a brook. And the last one is he was out like a light. We have to move on toward the meanings of these similes. She sings like an angel means that she has a lovely singing voice, like her voice resembles to an angel, that she has sweet and gentle quality of singing, it means now. Okay, next we have it fits like a glove, means to be perfect size and shape. Be the right size means we may say that position fits him like a glove, means fit perfectly. I tried to dress and it fitted like a glove. We can get the example of this as well, okay? Hopefully it is clear to you. Next we have number 3. This is like watching grass grow. Means it is really boring. To be very dull, to be very boring. She fell asleep during big game because she thinks that watching sports is like watching grass grow. Means it cannot be to be everyone for everyone. ठीक है? Grass grow, boring. It's about the particulars interest. Okay. But generally it means that it's really boring. Fine. Now the next one is he babbles like a brook. Okay. Brook is actually a stream. Brook means a stream. Or to put up with something unpleasant. Another meaning of the brook is put up with something unpleasant. So the meaning of this simile is a continuous murmuring sound of water flowing over stones. means that to make a low continuous noise of water flowing over the stones. Okay, next we have he was out like a light, means to sleep very quickly, to become very unconscious very quickly, you may say as well. For example, if I give you another example, I was so tired, I went out like a light, means I fell asleep, I slept in a while. Another example is he was out like a light when the boxer punched him, means he became very unconscious as the boxer punched him. Hopefully the exercise is clear to you. Okay, move on to the next exercise, vocabulary. Choose the two words or phrases that mean the same. Now, what is the phrase? A group of words, two or more words that express a single idea but do not form a complete sentence, that is called the phrase. Number one, we have money, and it means cash or currency. You're supposed to write it down on book. Thick means lots of layers, and chunky. Lots of layers is actually a phrase used here, okay? Lots of layers or chunky is the meaning of the thick. Teeming means full of or bursting with. Here you are getting the two meanings of each words, okay? Number 4 is huddle, gather together or bunch up. Number 5 is explorer. It means adventurer or searcher. Hope you all have done. Okay, the last one is prevent, don't allow or stop. In the whole exercise, you're supposed to write the two meanings of each word. Hopefully it is done. Okay, move on toward the exercise. See word structure. Write the letter string that fits all the words in each row. Here we are going to use the letter string. We are going to use the same letter string in all of the blanks. For example, number 1 we have L and then dashes and then S. Then we have H and dashes N. B dashes R. W dashes and then dashes as drop drop. Okay, now if one thing which is common in all of these dashes, that everywhere there is the gap of the 4 letters. Everywhere there we have 4 dashes, so we have to put the same letter string everywhere. Okay, on the other hand, we have 3 letter strings, P and then 3 blanks are there. Similarly, F and then 3 blanks and ER is there. B, 3 blanks and then room is written. Then we have BRE and then 3 blanks and E is written. Similarly here, G, 3 blanks and then ER is written. So in the first letter string, we are supposed to put the 4 letters. In second letter string, we are supposed to put the 3 letters. And the 3 same letters will be written in all of the blanks. Fine. This is the solved one. The first one, the 4 letters we have used here in the first letter string EAVES. You can see in all of the 5 blanks we have used the same letter string EAVE. And in the second one we have used the 3 letter string, that is ATH. But according to the first and the last letter, everywhere the word has formed differently. Okay, the letters are the same, the string is the same, but everywhere it is giving the different meaning. Leaves, you know, it is the plural of the leaf, patte. Heaven, everyone is aware of this word as well. Paradise, Jannat. Beaver, what is beaver actually? Beaver is it's an animal. It's a beaver. Okay. Okay. Next we have weave. Weave is actually a verb. It's a weaving design. Okay. Weave means twist and turn. Is called the weaving. Twist and turn is called the weaving. So this is all weaving design. It's weave. Eavesdrop. What is eavesdrop now? To listen someone secretly, right? That is called the eavesdrop. If someone is listening to someone's conversation secretly, that is called the eavesdrop. Okay. Next we have path, the way, father, bathroom, breathe, to take the breathe, and gather. So these are all very easy. Hopefully you have got it. In the same way, you're supposed to write on your book as well. Exercise E, teaser time. Add one letter to make a word. The letter can be placed anywhere in the word. Okay. Okay, this is the exercise. Blanks are given to you. The first one is solved, and the rest 5 you are supposed to solve them. And here we are supposed to use any of the letter, but it must give a sensible word. Okay, it must form a sensible word, a meaningful word. In the first one we are going to add G, that has become clock. Then we have HET, it will be turned into heat. We have given the addition of A. I have highlighted the letters I have added. Then soft, F we have added. Cheat, A we have added. Fries and sort. All the words are very easy. Hopefully you got it. You may have your own as well, but be careful that it must get the meaning. Now exercise E part 2. What am I? Use the clues and rearrange the letters to find the answers. The more you take from me, the bigger I get. Number 2, it's yours, yet others use it more. I rise and fall without moving. So here are the in the bracket, the answers are given to you as well. These riddles we have to solve, and here are the answers. The more you take from me, the bigger I get. Answer of this riddle is whole. It's yours, yet others use it more. The answer of the riddle was name. I rise and fall without moving, and its answer is temperature. The answers are given to you on the book in the jumbled letters, and we have to arrange them. Okay, so this was all we have read today. Hopefully you have done all of the exercises on your books, page 7. Till the next lecture, stay home, stay safe, goodbye, have a nice day.